Investigators say Oakley Carlson's parents have not been helpful in the search for their daughter since her disappearance in 2021. But many people are hopeful now that the little girl's mother is sentenced to prison for a separate case. 43 months in prison for Jordan Bowers.
She targeted vulnerable victims. She took advantage. She really has not in any meaningful way taken responsibility. So it merits a sentence at the top of the standard range. It's all
sentenced for stealing nearly $27,000 in multiple cases of identity theft. The court hearing is the first time Bowers and Jamie Jo Hiles are face to face since the disappearance of Oakley Carlson.
I'm very angry. I want her to sense my anger.
Hiles is the former foster mother of Oakley. She cared for the little girl for 2.5 years as the Department of Children, Youth and Families investigated allegations of abuse against Bowers and Oakley's father, Andrew Carlson. But DCYF reunified Oakley with her biological family, something Hiles says she warned the state about.
That's one thing that we fought so hard against with DCYF before Oakley was returned is we were like, we understand that reunification is the goal of foster care. If she's going to be reunified with her biological parents, please don't make it so quick. So please don't rush this.
Oakley has not been seen since February 2021. Hiles says recently released court records confirm concerns about Oakley's safety before her disappearance. In a Washington Court of Appeals opinion, it says investigators interviewed Oakley's sister, who said Oakley started a house fire with Bowers' torch and was beaten for it. The sister also told detectives Oakley was under Bowers' bed and in the woods, where Bowers says she was eaten by wolves.
The older sister had said that Oakley had been locked in a cabinet or starved or beaten, and so unfortunately those are things that I've had to live with.
Concerns Hiles says she warned DCYF about, afraid of Oakley going back home to her parents.
Because I couldn't do anything myself. I couldn't do anything for Oakley because we don't have any rights as foster parents. But now I can hold people accountable. Now I can say, I told you that something wasn't right. I told you that this was wrong. And you ignored me, and now my girl's missing.
Now Hiles is calling out DCYF for not doing enough to protect Oakley.
We need to make sure that we change the entire system so that kids aren't falling through the cracks like Oakley did.
Accountability is also what some DCYF members want in their leadership. They're represented by the Washington Federation of State Employees on a petition for a vote of no confidence in Secretary Ross Hunter. The petition says Hunter has perpetuated misinformation about the work they do to protect children, contributing to a negative reputation of child welfare. If there are enough votes from DCYF members, the union will present the petition to the governor, urging Hunter's removal. Reporting from Grays Harbor County Courthouse, Frankie Thompson, Fox 13 News.